I'm salting. I'm putting salt in my friend's drink. He pranked me earlier today. He caught me air guitaring. He's in the washroom right now. It's gonna be nasty. Look at this. Let's get it all in there. Tasty. Yes. 1 pack. 2 pack. 3 pack. And no 4, but it's okay. It'll do the trick. Oh crap, he's coming, he's coming. I'm hiding behind a chair. How did that taste so good?